Lesson 2, number 2. Okay, or number 2. I'm going to show you by brain power and Desmos, okay? So we had x squared, which we're doing is factoring this, plus 5x minus 14. All right, first thing I'm going to do is make my x. So a, b, c. So a times c, we have 1 again there. So 1 times negative 14, that's just negative 14. And at the bottom, you're going to put plus 5. Okay, now you're going to do, so if you're having a hard time with the brain power part of this, no big deal. Go to Desmos, which I'll show you next. If you're getting it by brain power, you don't have to use Desmos, you know. Either or check yourself by Desmos just to double check. So we would like to use that as a checkpoint. All right, so first thing we want to get 14 with multiplying two numbers, negative 14. And then when we add them or subtract, they want to get plus 5. Okay, this is, I like writing my signs up here. That way I know what I need to end up with. So let me try 7. 7 times 2 equals, 7 times 2 is 14. Now we want negative. So I got to add negative someplace here. Let's put it on 2. Plus here. So 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Good. Check. So that checks off. Now we got to check the other part. Plus 7 minus 2 equals. So 7 minus 2 is plus 5. Check. That worked. Now I want to show you in case you made a mistake. All right, let's see. You could have done this. You could have did negative 7. Well, let's start here. Negative 7 times positive 2. It would still give you negative 14. See this? That would have checked off. But if you come down here and do this, it would have gave you negative 5. See that? That would not match. So this does not check off. Now, in order for the pair to work as a factor, they both have to check off. See, my first option did, my second option didn't. So we know this option does not work. Okay? That's how we know if we right or wrong. So we can put this together. X plus 7. X minus 2. All right, this is our factors. Okay, now we go into Desmos. Bear with me. All right, so see these numbers on top? Those are from our last number, from first one. No big deal. All we got to do is go back up here and switch them. We could reuse everything. We don't have to erase anything. So we had negative 14 at the top, right? So now we're going to put negative 14 at the top. All right, and same deal on this last one. Put negative 14. Okay, now what we are looking for, don't forget, in our third column, this is our third column. The first one wasn't showing. Here we go. We are looking for plus 5, which was the bottom number. There's minus 5, but we don't want that. No, plus 5. There you go. We found our answer. So it's plus 5. So our answers are right here. X plus 7 and X minus 2. That's the same exact answer we had when we did it by brain power. So good job to us.